edge picking algorithm. Here it is. Mark the edge of the smallest weight in the graph. If two or more edges have the same weight, pick anyone. Mark the edge of the next smallest weight in the graph as long as it does not complete the circuit and does not add a third marked edge to a single vertex. Continue this process until you can no longer make an edge. Then mark the final edge that completes the Hamiltonian circuit. The same as the greedy algorithm, the edge picking algorithm only attempts to give a circuit of minimal total weight, although it does not always succeed. Right? Now let's try to find another Hamiltonian circuit, this time using the edge picking algorithm. Now there were times that a Hamiltonian circuit using the greedy algorithm is the same as the Hamiltonian circuit using the edge picking algorithm, but not always. Not always. Okay. So this is your Hamiltonian circuit using the greedy, no? Okay. Unlike the greedy algorithm, you have to identify your starting vertex. And then go to the next vertex, go to the next vertex, and then go to the next vertex until you complete the circuit. Okay, in edge picking algorithm, this time is you have to identify an edge or the edge with the smallest weight. Identify the edge with the smallest weight. And which edge is that? Please observe. Which edge has the smallest weight?
Starting from whom, sir?
Raymond?
Starting from whom po?
No.
Saan po? Kahit saan po?
Kahit saan, basta smallest weight. Edge with the smallest weight.
Garden ba?
Garden. Grocery. Okay, the edge connecting post office and grocery.
Ay, grocery garden.
Okay. Post office and grocery. So, 8 here is the smallest weight. Okay, among the edges of this graph. So, we have to travel along the edge. Okay, travel the edge with the smallest weight. And our reference are the vertex P and the vertex G. The vertex G and the vertex B.
Sir, anong letter yun sa taas, sir?
P, post office.
Okay po.
Kay Susan pa rin tayo. Home, post office, grocery store, video rental, and the bank. Okay, same given. Okay, this time, our reference are the vertex P and the vertex G. You have to identify the edge with the smallest weight that is connected to either P or G. So, dalawa yung reference natin, ha? Kay greedy algorithm, kung saang vertex tayo, dun lang yung reference natin. Okay? But in edge picking algorithm, you have to consider your end-to-end vertices, which are, in this case, the vertex P and the vertex G. So our choices: post office to home, Post office to home, that is 14 minutes. Post office to bank, 21 minutes. Post office to the video rental, that is 12 minutes. And then in reference to the vertex G this time, grocery to home, that is 12 minutes. Grocery to the bank, that is 11 minutes. Grocery to video rental, that is 17 minutes. Which
Grocery
of
to-
this edge has the smallest weight?
Groceries to bank.
Grocery to bank. So we'll have to use that edge. Grocery to bank. So, gagamitin natin itong edge na to. This time, in reference to the vertex P and B. Okay. The vertex P and B. So from post office to home, that is 14 minutes. Post office to the video rental, that is 12 minutes. Okay. It's 12 minutes, right? And then bank to home, that is 23 minutes. Bank to video rental, that is 18 minutes. So which edge we should be using, or we should be traveling? We have 14, 12, 18, 23.
12, sir.
Okay, 12. So let me be clear, ha. From post office, you can only go to home and video rental. Kasi you cannot return to grocery, you cannot complete the circuit when you go to the bank. Kasi makakompleto na yan. Makakompleto na yung circuit. But, in fact, you have not visited your home and video rental yet. So, dalawa lang yung pwede natin puntahan dito. From post office to home, from post office to video rental. Likewise, from bank to home, and then from bank to video rental. Kaya ito yung mga choices natin. So, that would be 12. Right? 12. So, we'll be using this edge. We'll be using this edge. Then our reference vertices will be the bank and the video rental. There's no way. There's only one vertex that we must to visit, and that would be the home. So we have to use this. Connect natin to. And then to complete the circuit, we have to use this edge. And then that's it. This is now your Hamiltonian circuit using the edge picking algorithm. Right? Now, just when you finish, you completed the Hamiltonian circuit using the edge picking algorithm, you can now identify your starting vertex. You can now identify your starting vertex and will be starting from home. And then yun, trace nyo lang yung line. Trace nyo lang yung line na yan. So from home, then I would go to the video rental store, and then to post office, to grocery store, to the bank, and then going back to home. Or pwede rin pabaliktad. From home to the bank, to grocery, to post office, to video rental, and then going back to home. I repeat. Okay, I repeat. In greedy algorithm, indicated na. So at first, you have your starting vertex, your starting point. But in edge picking algorithm, you must to complete your Hamiltonian circuit first using the edge picking. And then later on, if you completed that circuit, then you can now identify to which starting point you wanted to start. In our case, we have to start from home. We have to start